Have you ever wondered what sequence of events led to the Israel-Gaza war? How did it all begin, and how has it unfolded over time? Today, we will delve into the chronological narrative of this conflict, shedding light on one of the most contentious issues in the world. The story commences in October 2023. Tensions were already high, but on October 7th, the situation escalated dramatically. Israeli attacks on Gaza began, marking the onset of a brutal war. The initial assault took a heavy toll, with thousands of Palestinians walking miles to escape the intensifying conflict in northern Gaza. As the days passed, the violence only escalated. The death toll began to rise steeply, with the most intense overnight Israeli bombardments occurring in the Jabalia refugee camp in the north and Sabra in western Gaza. The magnitude of devastation was immense, resulting in the tragic loss of many lives. Despite the mounting pressure from international communities, the prospect of a ceasefire was outright rejected by the Israeli Prime Minister, unless the release of captives was guaranteed. This stance further fueled the conflict, and Israeli bombardment continued across the Gaza Strip unabated. By November, the death toll had reached a staggering number. At least 10,569 Palestinians had been killed in Israeli attacks since the war began. In Israel, the death toll over the same period stood at more than 1,400. So, what have we learned from this chronological narrative of the Israel-Gaza war? We've seen how tensions escalated in October 2023, leading to the onset of this conflict. We've witnessed the devastating Israeli bombardments in northern and western Gaza, causing a significant loss of life. We've observed the rejection of a ceasefire proposal by the Israeli Prime Minister, which further fueled the conflict. And finally, we've faced the tragic reality of the death toll on both sides of the war. As we reflect on these events, it's essential to remember that behind these numbers are real people, each with their own story. The Israel-Gaza war is more than just a series of events. It's a human tragedy that has affected thousands of lives. As we continue to follow this conflict, let's strive to understand its complexities, its causes, and its profound impact on people in the region.